Hey everybody, Gage here from Sharp Knife Shop to tell you a little bit about our pig butchery class here at the shop. The class is led by Jamie Waldron, a professional butcher with over 15 years experience in many facets of the industry, including small-scale abattoirs, restaurant consultation, and large-scale grocery chains. Jamie starts the class off with a brief explanation of the kill process, how the animal goes from the farm to the table in our shop. During this particular class, the pig had been processed the day before and was delivered to us mere hours before the class. Jamie then explains how to remove the head and trotters and how to break the animal into what are known as primal cuts. He then guides participants through how to skin the primal cuts and begin breaking them down further into cuts you might be familiar with, like pork chops, belly, and roasts, among many others. As you can see, this is a very hands-on experience, and Jamie is simply present to show participants how to make the appropriate cuts. Whether you're an experienced hunter looking to gain some new knowledge and technique, or completely new to the whole experience, Jamie is there to guide and support you. By the end of the class, the entire animal is broken down, wrapped, and labeled. Participants then divide up all the available product to take home. Each participant takes home roughly 20 pounds of pork, though this fluctuates depending on the size of the pig. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below or feel free to email me at info@sharphamilton.ca. I'll leave my email down below in the description, along with a link to sign up for our next class, taking place in July on the 9th, which is a Tuesday, from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. I hope to see you there. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you on the next one.